Welcome to Choice Champions. The best anniversary gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful ways to celebrate a milestone, and for a 40th anniversary, also known as the Ruby Anniversary, it's essential to find something truly special that reflects the enduring love and shared memories of a couple. This momentous occasion calls for gifts that are not only beautiful and meaningful but also a testament to 40 years of commitment, partnership, and a lifetime of experiences together, making the selection process both exciting and deeply personal. Number 5. 2 Hearts and Cross Iron Sculpture Anniversary Gift. Elevate your gifting experience with our thoughtful packaging. It ensures a stunning presentation, making your anniversary gift truly special. Each sculpture is lovingly handmade, offering a unique and personal touch. Celebrate your special bond with a piece as unique as your relationship. Inspired by the poem, Marriage Takes 3, this piece embodies the spiritual connection in your relationship. It's an ideal choice for celebrating your union. More than just a gift, it represents the beautiful bond between 2 hearts. It celebrates the strength and beauty of your shared journey. From your first anniversary to your golden one, this keepsake commemorates every cherished moment. It honors the love and dedication you've shared. Whether it's your first, 6th, or 50th anniversary, this sculpture is the perfect way to show your love. It's a timeless reminder of your enduring commitment. What we like. This sculpture is meticulously handmade, offering a unique and personal touch to celebrate your love. It serves as a beautiful symbol of the bond between 2 hearts, commemorating milestones from the 1st to the 50th anniversary. If you're looking for a deeply symbolic and elegantly crafted piece that embodies the spiritual connection in a marriage, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The quality is excellent. It's made of solid iron, giving it a nice weight and a premium feel. The design of the 2 intertwined hearts with the cross in the center is both elegant and symbolic, making it perfect for celebrating love, faith, and commitment. It is well made, beautiful, and come packaged very nicely for gift giving. Looks just like it does in the photo and has a nice weight to it. Well packaged and seems to be well made. Number 4. Perfectinsoy 40th Anniversary Wine Glass Set. Toast to 4 decades of happiness with this elegant wine glass set. It's the perfect way to commemorate a special milestone. Searching for a unique gift for your parents, spouse, or a special couple? This set is a thoughtful and memorable choice for their 40th anniversary. Each set comes beautifully packaged in a gift box, complete with a greeting card for your personal message. It's ready to impress any wine or cocktail enthusiast. Made from high-quality, eco-friendly glass, these glasses are designed to last. They won't fade easily, ensuring lasting enjoyment. Enjoy your favorite beverages with glasses designed for comfort. Their humanized shape fits perfectly in your hand and holds up to 15 ounces. Whether it's wine, cocktails, or even water, these glasses are suitable for all your favorite drinks. They are a stylish addition to any occasion. While dishwasher-friendly, we recommend hand washing to preserve their beauty. Please avoid extreme temperature changes and microwave use. What we like. These wine glasses feature a playful vintage design, perfect for celebrating 40 years of marriage. They are made from quality, eco-friendly glass and are conveniently dishwasher-friendly. If you are looking for a fun and practical gift for a couple who enjoys a good drink and appreciates a touch of humor, these glasses are a fantastic option. What people say. Perfect anniversary gift for my little sister in another state. She said perfect timing as the regular ones she had broke 2 weeks ago. These are amazing. Came exactly the way I'd hoped. Perfect for wine or drinks. It's even a great gift for those that love skulls decor. Nice glasses to help celebrate our 50th anniversary. The printing is clear and crisp. Number 3. Luna Bean Original Hand Casting Kit for Couples. Celebrate your special bond with the original hand casting kit for couples. It's a unique way to preserve a cherished moment together. This all-in-one kit provides everything for a simple yet meaningful experience. With clear instructions, creating a lasting keepsake is easy for anyone. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This DIY hand casting kit is ideal for partners, celebrating love and turning meaningful moments into something that lasts forever. Experience professional-grade results at home. Our premium casting kit captures every detail, ensuring a high-fidelity replica of your hands. Transform a special moment into a beautiful work of art. It's perfect for anniversaries, weddings, or simply creating an unforgettable memory together. Make a lasting impression with this standout DIY kit. It's a meaningful way to show you care, perfect for any occasion or just because. What we like. This all-in-one kit allows couples to create a highly detailed mold of their hands, capturing every fingerprint and fine line. It's a perfect activity for date nights and results in a beautiful, lasting keepsake of their special bond. If you want a truly interactive and memorable gift that creates a unique piece of art together, this hand-casting kit is ideal. What people say. The detail was excellent, and the product behaved just as the directions described. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, and the details captured in the cast are incredible. It picked up even the fine lines and small features of our hands, making it such a beautiful and meaningful keepsake. We were very impressed and surprised with the amount of detail in the finished cast. It even captured our fingerprints. It's beautiful, and I know that years from now I'll be so glad we made this. Number 2. Kate Posh 40th Anniversary Wood Picture Frame. Commemorate a remarkable 40 years of marriage with this beautiful, handcrafted picture frame. It's the perfect way to cherish your journey together. Crafted from top-quality natural wood, this frame features elegant engraving that will stand the test of time. It's a truly special keepsake. This vertical frame is designed to hold a 4x6 photo, capturing your most treasured moments. Its curved beveled edges and glass front add a touch of sophistication. Easily display your favorite photo on any table with the included backstand easel. You can also hang it on the wall using the provided clips. Mark this significant milestone with a unique and heartfelt gift. It's an ideal present for couples celebrating their 40th wedding anniversary, symbolizing enduring love. Each frame is exclusively designed and meticulously handcrafted by skilled artisans in our California facility. You're receiving a piece of art made with care. What we like. Crafted from top-quality natural wood, this picture frame features elegant engraved details celebrating 40 years of marriage. It's designed to hold a vertical 4x6 photo and comes with both a back easel and wall-hanging clips. If you want to display a cherished photo from their 40th anniversary in a classic and personalized way, this frame is a wonderful choice. What people say. Just as pictured. Would buy again. It is very cute, sturdy, and eligible. It came packaged with bubble wrap, so came in one piece. No issues with dents or scratches. It came fast. Really nice frame with laser engraving. Even came early. Number 1. LifeSong Milestones 40th Anniversary Wall Cross. Mark 4 decades of cherished memories with this beautiful, handcrafted wooden cross. It's a perfect symbol to commemorate a milestone anniversary. Expertly made from solid cherry wood, this piece showcases intricate laser engraving. Its natural beauty will complement any home decor. Measuring 7 inches wide by 11 inches high, it's designed to be a prominent yet elegant addition to your walls. A convenient notch on the back ensures easy hanging. This makes a thoughtful gift for parents, couples, or grandparents celebrating their 40th anniversary. It's a lasting reminder of enduring love and commitment. Your special keepsake is carefully crafted and processed within 2 to 3 days. It arrives ready to be displayed and admired, celebrating a lifetime of togetherness. What we like. This hanging wall cross is beautifully handcrafted from solid cherry wood with intricate laser engraving. It serves as a meaningful home and wall decoration to commemorate a 40th wedding anniversary. If you are looking for a spiritual and elegant decorative piece that honors a couple's enduring commitment, this cross is a thoughtful and lasting gift. What people say. The engraving is very well done. A beautifully made remembrance with our inscription etched into a beautiful cross made from a really nice piece of cherry wood. Excellent quality wooden cross specially engraved acknowledging 40 years of marriage bliss. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.